In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-currency account in Wise. Start by opening the Wise app and signing into your account. Once you're inside, tap on Balance and then select See All to view the available currencies. Next, browse through the list and choose the currency you want to add to your account, such as USD, Euro, or GBP. Tap on the currency and follow the prompts to activate it. After that, repeat the same process for any other currencies you want to add. Wise allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies from a single account. Now, open any currency balance to add money, receive payments, convert funds, or send money internationally. Finally, return to the balance section whenever you want to view or manage your currency balances. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a multi-currency account in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.